Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video I am going to tell a very useful Windows feature which is very necessary and very important for all of the Windows users to know it. So suppose you want to convert your speaking or your speech into text, so you can use this feature. So you don't need any third-party software to install on your computer. Just you can use this hidden Windows feature. So to open this feature you have to press Windows plus H key from your keyboard and this feature will be opened. This is the feature. Just press this mic icon and it will copy your speech into text. To do this we have to open a text editing program. So we're gonna open our Word. And then press Win key plus H from your computer. Now it can copy your speech into text. See, as you speak, it converts your speech into text. You don't need to write whatever you want to type. Just speak and it will convert your speech into text easily, and it will work very fast and you don't need to have a fast typing speed. See, whatever I have just said, it is converted into text. See, it is a very useful feature inside a window. You don't need to install any third-party software to convert your speech into text. You can use this feature very easily from your Windows. It is a secret feature inside a Windows. Just use this and convert your speech into text. See, whatever I have just seen is copied here. So this is from this video. If any question, just comment your question to the comment section and just share your views and experience with me. So till next video, have a good time. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.